We're back.
So you can switch it back to.
We're recording again.
Oh,
You can't put that back in.
it's gotta go back in. I'm not gonna eat it.
That's the cool thing about it, though. That's a big cluster. What do you guys think of it? First impressions?
Yeah, I like the.
A lot of peanuts, right?
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of peanuts. I see. Yeah, like there's pretzels in here too, which is very good. Oh no, it's just pretzel. It's peanuts and chocolate. So it's instead of just like chocolate covered peanuts, it's multiple put together that are all mixed. So you get like these nugget sized pieces that are bite sized, and they're really good for snacking.
I like the chocolate part of it.
No, not the peanuts, though.
They're okay.
What about the peanut M&Ms right there? Do you like those? Alright, battery's dying, so let's hurry it up.
Chocolate peanut clusters. They're very good.
M&M's with the peanut inside. And our new refrigerator.